Hello friends, this is Arthur with WTB.com. We clean trash cans here in San Diego, but we also build wonderful trucks. And today I'm happy to announce our first ever built, I think, EV truck for this purpose. I don't know if Spartan Beans or other guys did it, but I don't think so. Anyways, this is a Chevy Express van, looks like, right? But inside you will see the EV conversion. So I got a fast DC charger, and this truck got a 120 kilowatt hours batteries. So it will give you about 130 to 150 to 160 miles range, and it really depends on manufacturers like driving conditions, weather. If you're using the HVAC, AC heater, if you have a lot of slopes, a lot of hills, how much water you carry with you, how heavy you on a gas pedal, right? If you're interested, we can build you the same truck because I do have two more the same exact chassis in stock. But we also can build this truck on a gas chassis, like this Ford, or it can be the same Chevy Express van. So yeah, let's look inside. Let's look inside. So two seats cab, and everything's the same except you don't have a shifter, but you do have a buttons here. This is the buttons for the strobe lights, floodlights. There's a screen here. So right now it shows you 126 miles. It's the overall range. So it's the overall total miles driven. And then 148 is the range remaining. So with the 100% battery, it's going to give me about 165, maybe less. We'll see. But let's look at the truck. So we custom built this aluminum flatbed, partners on each side. For all your stuff. Got the drain. It's a 3-inch RV drain, so it will never get clogged. This is the best design, I think, ever for the drain. Dual beam lifter. We also have a strobe lights in the back, compartment on the right side, and then there's a reel behind this panel. So the hopper got a capacity of 520 gallons of water. It's almost here. And the cool feature we have here, it's an option. So there's a 6 floodlights around the car. So at night you're going to be safer. You're going to feel safer cleaning the bins at night. And you also do have a lighted burner if you wish to, when you drive at night, you can turn it on and you have a lighted burner. Here we do have the outlets. This is an aux outlet and this is a filling outlet. It goes straight to the tank. And then this is a 100-foot hose. What is nice, we can use this hose to fill up the fresh tank, as well as we can use this hose to do the pressure washing. We're just going to give it the adapter so you can use this hose to hook up here and hook it up to the faucet. And of course, I'm very proud of this control panel we built. I think it's great. So you do have your remote control, your lights, like in a car. Turn on the ignition, you do have your voltage, your lights. This is your accessory light for any additional accessories you might have. You also do have a USB outlets. I'm thinking about someone can use the the bubble machine or whatever for the entertainment. So this is a manuals and a maintenance schedule, pressure gauge, start stop, your check engine light, your oil pressure light. And then you have a 4 ball valves. Okay, so driver side, passenger side, auxiliary, which is right here. It's very cool. I will show you. We use auxiliary to wash our hands with the warm water. So here's an example. Okay. Oh yeah, we put a brand new AquaTools Ballondi heads on it. It's a SW60. They run at 3000 psi. It's crazy. And we got this basket, of course. So for all of your trash needs, you just at the end of the day you scoop all the trash inside. You grab it, you open it up, and all the trash falls right to this dumpster. And then boom, you just close it, and you're good for a day. Your hands are clean and there's no mess. Also, all the doors are serviceable, so you can open each door individually. You can see the baffles inside, and you can clean it. You can do whatever you want. You can clean or fix your drain. It's very convenient. And the best thing is that once the trash can inside, the water doesn't splash to your face, which is ridiculous on some of the trucks I've seen. So, and this thing is an odometer, but it also works as a RPM reader. So let me show you. How cool is that? So yeah, the auxiliary is super nice feature. What you can do also, you can open that up. You have all the water. It's warm water to clean up the hands. So this is the water from the lines that goes from the heads down to the drain point. This is also, we open this up every evening, so there's no water in the lines. It's nice. Well, yeah, it comes with a Bluetooth remote control. It's pretty nice to have it. You also do have the wired control. But on my truck, I almost never use this one. It's just, you know, like secondary unit. Let's see inside. We do have a double locks, gas straws, and this is the interior. As you can see, there is no hydraulic pump on this truck, right? Because we took it and put it somewhere else. So 2 275-gallon tanks. They are connected with the PVC pipe. There is all accessible and serviceable ball valves, so you can actually stand here and do whatever you want with this truck. You want to change the hose, or you want to change the valve, or you want to fix something here. It's pretty accessible. This is a Kohler 26.5 horsepower engine, and it's just a wonderful engine, much better than any Honda. And an AR pump. Got a flow switch, got a pressure switch, and 2 tanks. I think it's the 12-gallon switch. You also have the burner diagnostic panel. So if something happens to your burner, you can see what exactly is bad. Yeah, that's about it. I mean, there's plenty of space here. You can walk, you can dance, right? Let's see the left door on this truck. So this door is a little shorter, so you can fill up the tanks without hitting the gas pump. There is a filter, low pressure filter. You also have a high pressure filter up there, and there's a drain. If you want, you can open up and drain the water from your tank. Oh, there's also the winterizing option on that side. You can winterize your system. This is our pump. It's right here. There's also a shut-off valve, a shut-off kill switch. So that's about it. It's a nice truck, and we do have 2 more, the same exact vehicles. So we can build you one up on your needs. Either EV or gas chassis, whatever. And I like this thing also. There's a safety strap, safety and tape, so you don't hit your head. Boom. And now I'm gonna make a video about this truck.